Well, back to the arena here in San Juan. You're witnessing a match between Army and FEU dito sa Shakey's V-League Season 10 Open Conference.
Oh, nice setup there from Nene Bautista, but Dalia Cruz sending it into the net.
Alam mo, may halong gigil talaga. And if it's fun family pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. But you have to remember, ang position talaga ni Dalia Cruz is middle. So medyo pag sa open, I guess,
saka yung running niya, di ba? Yan ang nami-miss natin kay Dalia Cruz, yung running hit ni Dalia.
That's right, another free ball. Good cover though by FEU. Free ball again. Cruz. Good dig, but saved. Pons. Cruz was there. Iratay. Back set. Oh, good dig.
Oh, Pons. Just too much on that last play.
But a net violation para kay Nene Bautista. Simborio now serving. It's a 50. It's just a 1-point lead para sa Team Army. Takis. Alarca.
Oh, Jack Alarca. Alam mo, grabe lang kalalim ang bench ng Philippine Army eh. Diba?
Again, no, pwede sila mag-form ng dalawang teams at lalaban pareho.
At alam mo, ang napapansin ko nung sa mga previous games nila, pag laging nami-mention yung pagkatalo nila sa Cagayan. So, you can just sense na mukhang grabe ang preparation nila pag na-meet nila ulit yung Cagayan squad na to. Dahil paulit-ulit, nababanggit kahit iba yung kalaban.
That's right.
So sa akin lang, naiisip ko yung mindset nitong Philippine Army na to, mukhang dun sa, laban against Cagayan, di ba?
You know, they were really...
Hindi mo in-expect.
Oo.
And, well, alam mo naman, pag mga Philippine Army, PNP, tumatakbo ang pride niyan eh. Iba, ibang level. Mga Air Force natin. Kasama yan sa breakfast nila pag kumakain sila yung pride. So, pandami, fried chicken. Fried rice.
Kaya tuloy sila back to the barracks.
Yung paghahanda di ba? You can feel it.
Oh, good serve by Alarca. C to Pons. One more time. Oh, good thinking sana by Iratay, but that goes wide.
At ang magandang nakikita ko rito, FEU now 7 attack points. Itong Philippine Army 9. Kanina, di ba 7-0?
Hindi, nag-12-1 pa
diba?
nga.
Oo, 12. Grabe. Ngayon, laban naman ng konti itong FEU.
Well, Coach Rico does not want to prolong this match anymore, bringing back Salak and Gonzaga para sa Team Army. Kasi nakita niya, nagkakaroon ng momentum tong FEU.
Tignan natin kung mapipigil ang momentum ng FEU na yan. Or lalo pa.
Nunag was there. Dakis. Sabas.
Block.
Salak back to Gonzaga.
Chance for FEU.
Nunag, nandun. Mas gumaganda talagang floor defense ngayon ng FEU.
Kasi pag may floor defense sila, yung offense, nagtatranslate siya to offense di ba? Nakaka-chance Meron namang Palma, Pons, di ba?
That's right.
Simborio.
It's Torres, actually.
Si Torres.
And if
ibigay rin ng puntos.
And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Well, 18 serving 19. Free ball para sa FEU. Bunag, Salak.
Salak fooling the blockers of FEU.
Pati si Gonzaga na fool niya. Dakis! Wow! Good dig.
Pons, talaga naman. Bigay todo. Gonzaga.
Nag-combination play na yung Army.
Napasigaw si Torres.
Nagulat.
Lakas nga pala nun.
Well, a breather para sa Team Army. Gonzaga now serving. Palma. Giselle C. Back to Palma. Bunag. To Bunag. Good. Oh.
Sayang yun. Yeah.
Pero yun yung, di ba, you're right, as players, alam natin, it's not very easy to, kasi maganda nga yung set. Di ba, syempre
Oo,
gusto mo paluin.
paluin.
Yun yung sinasabi ni Coach Shaq, na you have to variate your shots. Parang ganon.
Ano kasi yan as you get older, ipipace mo yung sarili mo, doon pumapasok yung off-speed ka,
Oo.
hulog ka.
Takot ka mapagod. Kasi nung bata ko, walang pagod-pagod.
Oo, paalo lang. Paglaro. 5 sets, paano?
Gonzalak. Back row, Gonzaga. Kay Torres. Oh, good save.
Nicely done.
Simborio, Bunag.
Baliktad na ngayon. Ang mas nahihirapan dumipensa yung Philippine Army. So, good for
Exactly.
FEU.
Oh!
Yun naman. Bully.
Bully talaga. Panorin mo to, Tia Salak, you're a bully.
Sabi, aangkinin ko na yan. Talaga.
It just goes to show how effective, no? Tina Salak is setter, as a setter, blocker, and offense also.
Kaya nga we always mention na pagka tall setter, advantage talaga sa team. Walang butas sa block.
And not to mention smart setter.
Oh, yes.
Torres. Gonzaga. Oy, good save again. Oh!
Ang maganda sa FEU, parang doon nila tinatarget talaga. Doon nila dinadala eh. Sa zone 2.
Si Mary Palma. Takis. Misreceive.
So buhay pa ang FEU.
That's right. Army. Hindi rin pwede mag-relax. Dahil ngayon, I really feel yung momentum na sa FEU.
That's right. At hindi nga nabago. Tinanong natin kanina nung pumasok uli yung starters kung mababago. Ito maganda naman nakita sa FEU. Hindi naman mukhang nabago yung yung aggressiveness na nakita natin.
Yes, and another error para sa Army, Dakis. And 1-point lead na lang para sa Team Army. At buhay ngayon ang crowd ng FEU.
Oo nga naman. Chance na to.
Palma again with a good serve.
And a lifting violation called against Tina Salak.
Well, the reception of Army not there naman. Salak had no choice but to tip it over. Pero an error. And we are
tayo. Tied at 23 all,
23. Bunag. Salak.
Oh! Miscue! What a time to have it!
But that's what we're saying, eh. You cannot give any team, the chance to come back. FEU, wala pong panalo to sa liga. And, 24-23 sa Philippine Army.
At natuwa naman ako dun sa kinilos ng FEU, di ba? Hindi sila bumigay.
That's right.
Ngayon, chance to close this out. Oh, teka muna. Ano ka ba, Mozzie?
Timely block para kay Jack Alarca at kay Tina Salak.
Yung tandem na yan, napakalaki.
Oo nga.
Hirap. And remember, si Alarca is another good blocker. Ang naglalaro yan sa TLSU. And a smart move there. Torres off the block hit.
That's right. Ngayon lumalabas yung aggressiveness ng FEU. So set point, FEU. Salak. Bunag.
Chance now for FEU.
Another chance. Chance number 2 points. Salak tips it over. C. To Torres. Gonzaga too near the net, but Salak. Bunag. Another chance. Ponce. Easy ball. Salak. C was there. Long rally. Oh!
What an ending to that set. A looper from FEU.
But you know, it goes to show talaga yung si Pons, no? Parang she will do anything in her powers para magkaroon ng point.
Correct. And then, yun naman, ayan, ngayon nakasmile na si Coach Shaka. So we see our shaky shake and play of that set.
That's right. FEU is alive. They win the third set, 26-24.
So, Shaky Feely, bira na!